Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize your WordPress forms with tags. Our Form Tags feature lets you add individual tags to your forms, allowing you to better organize and manage them on your site, no matter how many you have. With that said, let's jump right in. After logging into your WordPress site, click on WPForms, and then select All Forms from the menu on the left. Here you'll see a list of all of your existing forms. There are two ways to add form tags to your form. The first is by adding them from within the form builder while you're creating or editing, and the second is by creating and assigning them here on the All Forms overview page. Let's first go into the form builder to edit one of our forms. In the form builder, click on the General tab from the menu on the left, and on this General Settings tab, you should see a field for tags. Creating and adding tags is pretty straightforward. Simply type in the name of the tag you'd like to create and press the Enter key to create it. You can create multiple tags at once by typing in a new tag name and pressing the comma button to create a new one right after. You can also click on the Tags field to select any tags that you've previously created and assign it to this particular form. When you're done, click on the Save button at the top of the page. The second way to create and add tags to your forms is from the Forms Overview page, so let's exit the Form Builder. In order to see the Tags column, first click on the Screen Options menu on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Tags checkbox, and then click on the Apply button. The table below will now display a column called Tags. To assign a new tag, hover over the Tags column for any of the forms and click on the Edit link. From there, simply type in the tag you'd like to create and press the Enter key. Like creating tags in the Form Builder, you can create multiple tags at one time by typing them in and separating them with a comma. When you're done, click on the green check mark to save your changes. You can assign existing tags to your form by clicking on the Edit link and selecting them from the available dropdown. When you've finished making your selections, click on the green check mark to save your changes again. Above the Forms Overview table is a button called Manage Tags. Clicking on this button will display a pop-up that will show you all of the tags you created but are not currently using anywhere. You can click on any of these tags to delete them if you're not going to be using them anymore. When you've made your selections, you can click on the Delete Tags button. You can also filter your forms by specific tags by selecting them from the All Tags dropdown. You can select one or multiple tags at once, and click on the Filter button to view a list of any forms that are labeled with these particular tags. The Form Tags feature will also allow you to add or create tags in bulk. Select any of the forms you'd like to edit tags for, and then click on the Bulk Actions dropdown on the top left corner of the table, select Edit Tags, and then click on the Apply button. This will bring up the Bulk Edit Tags menu, where you can delete existing tags or create new ones by typing them into the field on the right. The field on the right will also allow you to select tags to assign to all of the forms that you selected. Click on the Update button to save all of your changes and add tags in bulk to all of your forms. Alternatively, you can also use this feature to remove tags from all forms at once. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to organize your WordPress forms with tags. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. If you need any extra technical help, be sure to visit our contact page and reach out to our support team. Hey everybody, this is Daisy with WPForms. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where I can show you how to build smarter forms with WPForms through our how-to videos and more.